Welcome to this tutorial on Retable, where we'll guide you through the essential features of creating, editing, deleting, and expanding records. Learn how to manage your data efficiently and take full advantage of Retable's capabilities. Adding new rows in Retable is simple and intuitive, allowing you to quickly expand your dataset with relevant information. Creating new rows. Click on the Add Row button at the bottom of your table or use the shortcut to insert a new row. Fill in the required fields with your data. Each row represents a unique entry in your dataset, and you can customize the fields to suit your needs. Understanding the structure and functionality of rows is crucial for efficient data management. Each row consists of multiple fields that can be customized to store different types of data, such as text, numbers, dates, and more. You can modify the columns to fit your data requirements, ensuring that each row contains the necessary information. Managing and editing rows. Retable provides various tools to manage and edit your rows, making it easy to keep your data up to date and accurate. Click on any cell to edit the data directly. Retable supports inline editing for quick updates. For more detailed edits, open the Row Detail view by clicking on the Expand icon. This allows you to see all fields in a vertical layout, making it easier to manage complex data. Dragging and dropping rows. Reordering rows is a breeze with Retable's drag and drop functionality, helping you organize your data as needed. Click and hold the drag handle on the left side of the row, then move it to the desired position. This feature is especially useful for prioritizing tasks or organizing data in a specific order. Row Detail View. The Row Detail view offers an expanded perspective of your data, allowing you to see all the information in a vertical format. Accessing row details. Click on the Expand icon on the right side of a row to open the Row Detail view. This view is displayed in the top right corner and provides a comprehensive look at all the fields in the row, making it easier to review and edit data. Customizing row sizes. Adjusting the size of rows helps you focus on the most important data and improves readability. Customize the height of the rows by clicking the Row Height option. Select between short, medium, and tall. This feature allows you to optimize the view of your table, ensuring that critical information is easily accessible. By mastering these features, you can efficiently manage your data in Retable. Whether you're adding, editing, or deleting, or expanding rows, Retable provides the tools you need to keep your datasets accurate and well organized. Take advantage of these functionalities to streamline your data management tasks and enhance your productivity in Retable.